Ethel Leckwith, née Williams, born 1893, is a fictional character and one of the protagonists of the Century Trilogy by Ken Follett. She is the oldest child of David and Cara Williams of Aberowen, a fictional town in southern Wales. At the beginning of the trilogy, she is a housemaid at Ty Gwyn, the country estate at Aberowen. She is made acting housekeeper for a visit by King George. She has an affair with Earl Fitzherbert, the Earl of Aberowen, who sends her away to London when she becomes pregnant. There, she becomes a political activist in the women's suffrage movement during World War I. She marries Bernie Leckwith, with whom she has a daughter, Millie, and is elected a member of Parliament. In the second book, Winter of the World, Ethel continues as a member of Parliament during the Second World War. She is a force of moderation in a tumultuous political world. In the third book, her children and grandchildren continue to shape society. References: